Hello, everybody, and welcome to Read-Alouds with Miss Katie. Today, we are sticking to our Halloween fall theme, and we are going to be reading Skeleton Hiccups by Margery Cuyler. Illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Hick, hick, hick. Skeleton woke up. Hick, hick, hick. Had the hiccups. Hick, hick, hick. Hick, hick. Oh boy, he's taking a shower. He took a shower. Look at, he's still hiccuping. Brushed his teeth. Hick, hick, hick. Oh boy, what's he doing now? Polished his bones. Hick, hick, hick. Carved a pumpkin. Hick, hick, hick. Oh boy, raked some leaves. Hick, hick, hick. Played with Ghost. Looks like he's playing baseball, but oh no! Hick, hick, hick. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Oh, look at, he's holding his breath. He's still hiccuping. Eat some sugar. Hick, hick, hick. See the sugar going right through his bones. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Hick, hick, hick. Drink some water. Upside down. Hick, hick, hick. Hick, hick, hick. Still hiccuping. Ghost made a face. Hick, hick, hick. Do you think Ghost is trying to scare him? Said boo to Skeleton. Hick, hick, hick. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Hick, hick, hick. Then Ghost got smart. Hick, hick, hick. Found a mirror. Held it up. Oh, he's still hiccuping. Hick, hick, hick. Ghost is holding the mirror. What do you think he's gonna do? Skeleton screamed, ah! He looked at himself in the mirror. Hick, hick, hick. He still hiccuped. The hiccups left. Hick, hick, hick. They jumped away. Look at them jumping away. Hooray! So I guess 'tis the season to get his skeleton's hiccups to go away. Ghost had to scare him. And he ended up scaring himself when he looked in the mirror. So today we are going to make a skeleton. So we're going to start with a black piece of paper. And there's a template of a skeleton face that you can just print off, or you can draw your own. So we're going to start by just gluing the skeleton head onto the paper. And I'm just using liquid glue today. So today we're going to make this skeleton using Q-tips. Okay, so our first Q-tip is going to go right down the middle. So this is going to be his belly. You put some glue down and stick your Q-tip. Just like that. Our next ones, we're going to have to take Q-tips. You need to take one, let's do 6 Q-tips. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut them in half. So I would maybe have an adult do this unless you feel confident and safe. So you're going to cut them in half. And what you're going to do is you're going to glue them on the side of his belly. Just like that. You're going to glue on so you can kind of see how it's making a body. These are his ribs. And then you're going to do the other side. I'm just going to put all the glue out quick. There you go. The other side. Whoops. Oh boy. His ribs are rolling away. And one more. Okay. So now that we have his ribs, we need to put his arms. So we're going to take one Q-tip and put it right here. Okay. That's one arm. And then we need another one to go right here. Okay. And then you need 2 more. You need 2 arms. So you need one right here. And another one. Right there. There's his arms. And then you need his legs. So we're going to put his legs right here. Or actually, I think we're going to cut the legs. So we're going to do 1. Whoops. Because we're running out of space here. About the other one. There we go. And the other leg. You can make it look however you want. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some fingers and some toes. We're going to cut more Q-tips in half. And we're going to add another one for his feet. There we go. And then up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because skeletons have 5 fingers, just like you. Awesome. There's his hand. Looks like he's waving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not a perfect skeleton, and that is okay. Looks like he's going, yay, it's Halloween. So that is our skeleton. I hope you enjoyed today's read aloud of Skeleton Hiccups. And I hope you have fun making your Q-tip skeleton. See you next week. Bye, everyone.